Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Daisuke IENAGA, and today I would like to tell you about how to overcome the crisis. First, let me tell you why I choose this topic as my project this time. As you know, the situations related to energy issues changed after Fukushima and have been deeply discussed till now. Some countries, such as Germany, made a big decision to stop the operation of every nuclear power plant in the land. So, we have responsibility that we should consider if the current situation goes on. This project aims to compare the future generation of electricity and determine the best way from much viewpoints. Well, let's move on to the first topic. Please have a look at the figure 1. Nowadays, around 19% of energy is produced from non-renewable resources. For example, oil, coal, natural gas, and nuclear. And also produce electricity are mainly used for motors, pumps, and fans. So, by the way, according to some research by Dr. Emil Robbins, we've often seen him in a TV show. This I told you can be removed in 50 years from developed countries, including the United States and Japan. To be surprised. This will probably result a positive economic effect, the figure shows. Okay, now we know it is possible to replace non-renewable resources by renewable resources. But how? We would like to discuss the methods to do that. There are mainly 2 points of view. First is non-renewable energy resources itself. The second is the use of energy. So please guess various conditions and factors that our country Japan has. Relatively speaking, Japan's seawater indicates high value of pH because of its concentration implied in figure 5. So this project focuses on this point. Look at the figure 4. This explains the mechanism of an osmotic power plant. Turbines in this plant are powered by osmotic pressures between salt water and fresh water. What I'd like to tell you is this generation has a big possibilities. So first, there's no emissions of carbon dioxide, and second, it only costs a half of the solar power plant. The third, water is quite sustainable resources, and fourth, this is suitable for Japan's sea waters as I explained before. So by the way, we mustn't forget about the use, the second part. I'll suggest the idea by an example of automobile, and according to figure 6, some factors connected to its efficiency. So, in other words, the lighter car is more efficient than other cars. Well, there are some ideas suggested through this project. It is required to make a combination from various power plants because the one big issue the osmotic power plant has is the cost to maintain membrane filters. Thus, this leads to this suggestion. Around coast, there should be osmotic power plants, and in other areas inland areas, there should be biomass power plants. However, the situation has changed day by day, so these ideas might support the future of our lifestyle. Thank you very much for listening.